going to share with you my Lincoln Navigator. This is the year model 2015. This video is only, I'm going to show you where the oxygen sensors are located. Upstream and downstream. My Lincoln Navigator throwing a code P0430. And this means that the downstream sensor having some issues. It's not collecting the right reading. So I'm going to show you the location only, upstream and downstream. Then please stay tuned for my next video. Then I'm going to change the oxygen sensor. Let's get started. Cluster panel, the engine light shows up. The code shows up. If we read the code, P0430, catalytic system efficiency below threshold, and it's a bank 2. That means it's a passenger side downstream sensor is bad. So first of all, you need to jack up your Lincoln. Safety is the most important thing, and take all the precautions like putting a wheel chokes on your rear wheels. Even though I have a jack place, I placed a dead jack along with it. Get the glasses. Let me show you the location. This is the catalytic converter. And if we look at on the top, that's the upstream O2 sensor right here. And this is the catalytic converter, and this is the downstream O2. I'm going to replace my downstream, and this is bank 2. Bank 2 means the passenger side. And if we look at on the driver side, so I can show you the locations also on the driver side. This is the catalytic converter, and if you go up towards the engine side, the top, this one, is the primary. That is upstream. And then other terminology we use primary and secondary. So this is, when you see the primary, that's upstream. The secondary is downstream, which is right here. So these sensors are good, but the code showing bank 2, so that's a downstream. So you've seen it, the location of the oxygen sensor. Bank 1 and bank 2. As I indicated, bank 1 is driver side and bank 2 is the passenger side. And the terminology we use, upstream and downstream. In other words, we can call it primary and secondary. So I hope the location of oxygen sensor on 2015 Lincoln Navigator. If this video helped you out, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please stay tuned for more videos on my Lincoln Navigator. Thank you. Bye-bye.